Slow English Podcast. Hello. Welcome to today's English podcast. My name is Samara. Today we will talk about a day at the park. It is a sunny morning. I wake up early. I eat breakfast. I drink some tea. I put on my shoes and go outside. The sky is blue. The sun is shining. I walk to the park. The park is near my house. I see green grass and many trees. The flowers are red, yellow, and pink. Birds are singing in the trees. It is very beautiful. I meet my friend John. He is also at the park. We say hello. We decide to walk together. We talk about school and our favorite books. Walking is good for health. We see children playing. They run, jump, and laugh. Some children are flying kites. Some are playing with balls. I feel happy when I see them smiling. Some people are sitting on benches. They read books or talk with friends. Some people walk their dogs. The dogs are small and cute. Some dogs run and play with balls. I sit under a big tree. I drink some water and eat an apple. The park is calm and peaceful. I hear birds, children, and people talking. I feel relaxed. After some time, John and I decide to play a game. We throw a ball, we run and laugh. We feel very happy. Spending time outside is very nice. The sun is going down. It is evening. We say goodbye and walk home. I feel happy and healthy. Today was a good day. Thank you for listening. I hope you enjoyed the story. See you next time.